Want to access your JACC account from acc.org? Follow these simple steps. First, make sure you're already logged in to your acc.org account. Then, navigate to the JACC website from acc.org by clicking on the JACC link in the topmost navigation bar. Once you've arrived at the JACC homepage, click the Login link in the topmost navigation bar. Note that this second step is required to log in to JACC Online, even though you are already logged in to acc.org. You are now logged in. Please note, if you are not currently logged into your acc.org account and attempt to access your JACC account, you will be prompted to enter your login information as shown. While this process momentarily takes you to acc.org, you will be automatically redirected back to the JACC homepage upon logging in.